What's going on, guys? Well, as the title of the video suggests, I finally got a PlayStation 4 after saving up for months. This is the Disney Infinity 3.0 edition, which I didn't even know existed. And I also picked up a few games which I didn't tell you guys about. I started buying a few games for the PlayStation 4 a couple months ago, and I got Until Dawn and Alien Isolation. Yes, I know, I already have Alien Isolation on the PlayStation 3, but I really like this game and wanted to see how the PlayStation 4 version is. Now, some of you guys might be asking me, why did I get the PlayStation 4 now? Well, okay, for quite a while there just wasn't really enough games to justify picking one up, but the truth is I funded 3 PlayStation 4 games through Kickstarter and PayPal, and the Friday the 13th game is due out this fall, so I figured, okay, now's the time to get one. Plus, Doom comes out next week on Friday the 13th, and I already pre-ordered it, and I like what I'm seeing from that game's trailers and gameplay footage I've seen so far. Alright guys, I'm going to come back in a second after I open everything up, and then we'll take a look at the PlayStation 4. Fire. 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 Fire.